Welcome back to New Car Updates. Today, we're talking about something truly unique, a modern twist on a school bus classic. Introducing the 2026 modified 2006 International CE300, a bus that blends 2 decades of rugged history with the clean, smart technology of the future. If you grew up in North America, chances are you've ridden in a CE300. Known for its reliability and iconic yellow frame, the original 2006 model became a staple of school transportation. But now, in 2026, it's back, and better than ever. Let's start with the exterior. The body shape remains familiar, but everything else has been sharpened and upgraded. Sleek LED headlights, a bold new grille, and corrosion-resistant composite panels give the CE300 a fresh, modern look that's built to last. It's the same silhouette, but now it commands the road with futuristic confidence. But the biggest change isn't something you can see from the outside, it's under the hood. The 2026 CE300 is fully electric. That's right, no more diesel fumes. It runs on a 250 kilowatt electric motor and a 220 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery pack. This gives it a range of up to 170 miles per charge, making it ideal for school districts of all sizes. Plus, with fast charging, it can go from 0 to 80% in under an hour. Step inside, and you'll find an entirely reimagined interior. The noisy, bumpy rides of the past have been replaced with sound-insulated cabins, high-back ergonomic seats, and even USB charging ports for every row. The driver's area has been overhauled too, with a digital dashboard, real-time diagnostics, and an advanced safety suite. That includes 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and emergency braking, all standard. It's not just smart on the road. This bus is part of a connected fleet. School districts can monitor each vehicle in real time using a dedicated software platform. From battery levels and maintenance alerts to route tracking and driver performance, the new CE300 is designed for maximum efficiency and safety. Now, let's talk price. The 2026 modified CE300 starts at around $240,000. That may sound steep, but with state and federal incentives for clean transportation, many school systems will see significant savings, especially over time with reduced fuel and maintenance costs. Production starts later this year, with deliveries expected in early 2026. If your district is ready to move towards sustainable student transportation, the CE300 is a game changer. From diesel to digital, the 2006 International CE300 has been completely reimagined for the future. And here at New Car Updates, we'll be watching every mile of its journey. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the latest in automotive innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.